Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a helpful tip for getting started for the beginning of the year on Itslearning, or really any point in the year if you want to see your course from another perspective. So after you log into Itslearning, it's helpful if you go to one of your courses, and there is a student view on Itslearning that gives you a perspective of your course from a student profile. So you can see the way a student would see your course, test out any links, and get a feel for how easy it is for your students to navigate through your course or to do something along those lines. So you are in your course over here beside the add button, the green add button on the top right corner. Below your profile picture is a little person icon. And if you click that, you have a drop down menu and you'll select pupil. Now it always kicks you back out to the overview tab of your course or your start page just to give you a preview of what your course looks like as soon as a student enters it. If you notice, it did change the look here of this course quite a bit. This course uses the planner to organize information. And when I'm in student view, I have a start button. So I can click that, and now it guides me through all of my lesson materials and information. If I wanted to click the resources tab, I could also go there and see what my students can get to as well. And this is all still in student view. And I can even preview an assignment in student view too to see if it's clear. It's helpful here when you're using student view on the resources tab because it shows you what your students have access to and what they don't have access to. So maybe I don't want them to see some of these folders and they can see them right now. That's a reminder to me as the teacher that I need to go through and deactivate some of these pieces that my students don't need to be working on quite yet. And right here, I can look at an assignment in student view as well, open it, work on it some, and get a preview for what my students see when they work on an assignment and when they go to submit it. If I want to go back into my teacher view, I'll just go over here to the drop-down menu again and go back into my teacher or administrator view. And I can back up and start editing my course and make some changes based on what I've learned from student view.